Good evening. It's back to the fly time. Heat wave is over and the rain is back, so that means the attic is cool. Right, I'm on kind of a speed and a bit of a mission going on here to get my flies done. Right, been tying these. These are stimulators, golden olive stimulators. So I have 2 of them done. I've actually got a few more done as well this evening, different colours. Right. On the hook you'll see on the vise you will see a hook. It's a Partridge Wet Supreme, and I am using Simplify yellow 12-0. So as usual you start by 3/4 of the way up the shank and tie in. Slide that blade through that. Right. So first up I've got, it's a Nature Spirit Stimulator Deer. It's in gold, so that's the packet there. That's what I'm using. Okay. So a small bit ahead of time, just for the tail. So use your fingers, take out all the fluff. So into the stacker, a few taps, get all the tips lined up properly, and the length of the tail is roughly the shank, like so. Pinch a loop, light wrap it first, and then just carry on down. And light wraps first, so I don't want it to flare, like so. And then just clip the half, like so. And then tighten in, working your way back. This end here, the very end, don't tighten in that. Right, so come back up. I'm putting on uni yellow wire. And bring that back. So for the dubbing, I'm using golden olive from Frankie. That's all you need. So dub that onto your thread, slide it up. As you can see, I'm a wee bit from the end, so what I do is that I go at 45 degrees and then I work my way up the shank, like so, and stop them where I started my thread. Right, bring your thread forward, put down a bed of thread. So next up is a golden olive hackle. And just prepare that. So to the side of the shank, light wrap it first and then tighten in, like so. Okay, one wrap in front and then roughly three palmer turns down the body. So, and then just bring your wire through your wraps. So, tie in with your thread, and helicopter your wire. You don't have to use your blades. And you clip off this saddle hackle like so. Right, I always guess dubbing brush. Just kind of tease that dubbing out through the hackle like so. Okay, right, again some stimulator gold here. This time get a good generous amount of hair. And catch it by the tips, roll your fingers through and then just start pulling out. Or you can use your Swiss tool or anything that you need and then just bring it through the hair. So any broken ends or anything like that, it's all pulled out. And then just use your finger for anything that's left behind. So again, into your stacker and give them a tap like so they line up in place. So a few ends now. Right, how long is your wing? Well, I usually go the length of the hook, and you can see where it goes. Right, so it will flare up, so you could be going like that. I cut off any waste ends here. Tie in like so. Pinch and loop, light wrap at first. And so every wrap you tighten in. Now, I'm using 12/0 thread, and I'm still able to do that. So bring your thread forward in between the cut ends here, like so, like that. Right, you can see a bit of hackle there coming through. Right, if you want it, I'm going to cut these. It'll just take forever to cover them. So there you go, and then just bring your thread through. Like that. Okay. As you can see now, I have one little piece here that doesn't want to behave. Cut that out. So next up is my head hackle. So I'm using an orange hackle, and this is Irish Fly Supplies. I think it's solar. I don't have to actually have orange saddle, so this is the next biggest thing, and it's actually a nice colour when it's done. Okay, right, next up is orange dubbing from Frankie again. Just dub that on. Don't need a whole pile. As I say, less is more after that hop. And then that. Right. And then just moisten that dubbing so it behaves itself. Right. Then bring your solar colour saddle hackle through that once, and then 2 turns through the body, oh sorry, the thorax. So just take your time doing this to get it right, because it'll tend to slip. There's 2 turns there through the thorax, and then 1 in front. Bring your thread through the saddle, bring your saddle at 90 degrees, and do that 3 times. Okay, now bring everything back, tie it all in, like so, again moisten everything. It's easier to control the fibres then, and then just give it a couple of turns. Right. As anybody sees in my videos, I always use my fingers to do a whip finish, like so. Right. Then use my scissors just to guide that thread through, like so, and then just clip off the saddle hackle, like so. And that is the tying of my golden olive stimulator. Right, I'm going to use my dubbing brush, and while you do that, any fibres that's caught, I can just tease it out, like so. Right? So, that's it. So, how would I fish that? Top dropper on a floating line or maybe a sink tip. Gink it up and then just pull it through the waves, and give it a kind of a pull on the top of the surface, and you will see fish coming up then. Thanks for watching. Many more of these videos to come during the winter. Good night.